Having a quality cake pan is just as important as using a tried and true recipe, allowing you to focus on flavor and texture without worrying about turning out a broken sponge. I rely on quality pans and quality recipes that will give me wonderful results regardless of what I'm baking, said Jocelyn Delk Adams, author of the Grandbaby Cakes Cookbook. There are many products available to Best Cake Pan Set, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Wilton Aluminum 8-inch Round Cake Pan Set. Ready, set, bake. How do you make a layered cake? Start with quality bakeware from Wilton. These 8x8-inch round cake pans are perfect for baking up your favorite cake recipes. This 8x8 round cake pan is perfect for making layered cakes. Performance. The anodized aluminum construction of these Wilton cake pans resists rust and ensures even heating for uniform baking. Convenient. The generous 2 inches depth works well for creating cakes with higher layers. A great basic set of cake pans for all of your baking needs. Care instructions. Not dishwasher safe. Before, first, and after each use, wash this cake pan in warm, soapy water. Number 2. Wilton Recipe Right Non-Stick 9x 13-inch oblong cake pans. Ready, set, bake. The secret to making delicious cakes, brownies, and casseroles starts with the great Wilton bakeware sets. And now you can make even more at one time with this convenient multi-pack. Bakeware for every day and every occasion. These Wilton cake pans feature a steel construction that provides long-lasting durability and allows for even heating so food cooks thoroughly and also prevents warping. Non-stick. No matter what you're making, the durable non-stick and scratch-resistant coating on our cake pans allows your food to slide or pop out easily, making cleanup almost effortless. Non-stick bakeware sets are a must-have for busy cooks. Number 3. Wilton Round Cake Pans. Aluminum, 4-piece set for 6-inch. Ready, set, bake. For all your cake baking needs. This set of 4 round cake pans made of durable, even heating aluminum were built to last for many years to come. Performance. The anodized aluminum construction of these Wilton cake pans resists rust and ensures even heating for uniform baking. Care instructions. Not dishwasher safe. Before, first, and after each use, wash these round cake pans in warm, soapy water for best results. Includes 4 cake pans, dimensions 6x2 in, 8x2 in, 10x2 in, and 12x2 in. Size pans. Number 4. Fat Daddy's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Ideal for any recipe designed for round-tiered and layered cakes and deep dish pizzas. Fits 8-quart pressure cookers and 5.3 and 10-quart air fryers. Interior measures 8x3. Overall 9x3. 16-gauge anodized aluminum, easy release and clean up. Safe for citrus-based foods unlike traditional bakeware. Will never rust, peel or flake. No extra metals, chemical additives, dyes, PTFEs or PFOAS. Hand wash recommended. Heats and cools quicker, prevents overbaking and dry cakes. Heats evenly with no hot spots. Temperature rated up to 550 degF. Pressure cooker, air fryer and freezer safe. Built bakery tough, built to last through daily use in both the home kitchen and commercial establishments. Number 5. Wilton Perfect Results Premium Non-Stick 9-inch Fluted Tube Pan. Ready, set, bake. Not only can you bake one of those delicious ring cakes in this Wilton cake pan, you can make monkey bread, baked macaroni, and cheese, and even roast a chicken. Who knew? Convenient. Convenient handles on the Wilton fluted tube cake can are designed for easy handling in and out of the oven. Embossed cake pan measurements are precise pan measurements that are permanently stamped on handles for quick, easy reference. Non-stick. Durable premium non-stick coating on our cake pan allows your food to slide or pop out easily, making cleanup almost effortless. Non-stick bakeware sets are a must-have for busy cooks.